and all teachers and students. Today I will give a speech about Mahatma Gandhi. Every year in the country, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti on the 2nd October. Gandhiji, who played an important role in freeing the country from the British during the freedom movement by following the path of truth and non-violence. He forced the British government to kneel many times. The principles of truth and non-violence were his strength. He set a wonderful example in front of the world about how our rights could be achieved without weapons. Mahatma Gandhi studied law in London. After getting the degree of a barrister from the London, he did not consider it appropriate to become a big officer or lawyer, but dedicated his whole life to the country. He always fought for the rights of the people. Gandhiji was a splendid example of tolerance, sacrifice, restraint, and simplicity. He had amazing leadership abilities. In the freedom movement, people filled the jails under his leadership. Movements like his civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement, the boycott of foreign clothes, campaign Satyagraha, Dandi Satyagraha, Dalit movement and roller tax, salt law and quit India made the British in trouble and the way to get freedom become easy. Gandhiji taught Indians to love indigenous goods. Holi of foreign clothes was lit. As a result, indigenous industries got a boost. Apart from independence, Gandhiji had another dream, Gram Swaraj. He wanted the villages to be self-sufficient. Industry should be strength in the village. His dream was fulfilled when the Panchayati Raj system was implemented in the country in 1993. On this day, we should take a pledge to implement Gandhiji's thought in our lives. Thank you. Jai Hind.